Which set of angle measures cannot be the angle measure of a triangle? Okay, so if you look back at your triangle notes, which you should have written down, if not, they are under the resources tab. You need to have that pulled up. We know that when we're talking about angle measures of a triangle, we're going to follow the sum of interior angles. And that tells us that the measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 must equal 180 degrees. Okay, so I'm going to look at my answer choices and I'm going to plug in numbers. First, I'm going to see if there's any that I can eliminate quickly. 2 plus 2 plus 176. Okay, let's put our, plug our numbers in. So we have 2 plus 2 plus 176 equals 180. Remember, you can label these however you want. So just angle 1, 2, and 3. If I add all of this together, I would get 180 equals 180. And that's true. We're looking for the one that cannot be the angle measure. So I know A is not my answer. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing to B. Measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180. We have 10.1 plus 29.9 plus 140 equals 180. I'm going to add these together first. I would get 29.9 plus 10.1, get 40. Okay, I've used that one and that one. Plus 140 equals 180. 40 plus 140 is 180 equals 180. That's true. Again, I'm looking for the set of angle measures that cannot be the angle measures of a triangle. So B is not my answer. Okay, so this was A, this was B. Let's do C right down here maybe. Angle of measure 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180. Plug them in. 59 plus 59 plus 62 equals 180. 59 plus 59 is 118 plus 62. Okay, so now I need to do 118 plus 62. That equals 180. So 180 equals 180. That's true. So we're looking for the one that cannot. So C cannot. So that tells me that D is probably my answer, but I'm always going to check to make sure. Okay, so let's do D right here. Measure of angle 1 plus the measure of angle 2 plus the measure of angle 3 equals 180. I have 58 plus 60 plus 60 equals 180. Okay. I'm going to add these two together first because I know 60 plus 60 is 120. I've used these. 120 plus 58 is 178. Does 178 equal 180? It does not. So that is the one that is not true, that cannot form a triangle. So my answer is D.